Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular kitchen appliances on the market right now, the Instant Pot Duo 3-quart 7-in-1. If you're looking to streamline your cooking process without sacrificing flavor or nutrition, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it's highly regarded by home cooks everywhere. Let's start with what makes the Instant Pot Duo so special. It's not just a pressure cooker, it's a 7-in-1 kitchen marvel. You get the functionality of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer all in one sleek, stainless steel package. This means you can prepare everything from hearty stews to fluffy rice and even homemade yogurt with ease. One of the standout features of the Instant Pot Duo is its smart programs. With 13 customizable settings, cooking your favorite dishes is as easy as pushing a button. Whether you're craving tender ribs, savory soups, or perfect rice, this appliance has you covered. It's designed to cook up to 70% faster than traditional methods, so you can enjoy delicious meals in a fraction of the time. In terms of build quality, the Instant Pot Duo boasts a durable stainless steel construction that's not only stylish but also easy to clean. The dishwasher's safe inner pot and accessories make cleanup a breeze, while the fingerprint-resistant exterior keeps it looking sleek on your countertop. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller households or those who love meal prepping. Safety is paramount with any kitchen appliance, and the Instant Pot Duo doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with over 10 safety features, including a safe locking lid and overheat protection, ensuring peace of mind while you cook. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, its versatility and ease of use make it a must-have. To sweeten the deal, the Instant Pot Duo connects to the Instant Brands Connect app, offering access to over 1,900 recipes. Whether you're looking for new culinary adventures or tried-and-true favorites, this app has something for everyone. Available on both iOS and Android, it's your ticket to mastering the art of pressure cooking. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Duo 3-quart 7-in-1 isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a game-changer. From its multifunctional capabilities to its user-friendly design and safety features, it's clear why this model has garnered rave reviews from users worldwide. If you're ready to revolutionize your cooking experience, look no further than the Instant Pot Duo. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Have you tried the Instant Pot Duo? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!